Have you ever felt like you have huge dreams, but no energy to actually make them happen? You keep telling yourself, I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never seems to arrive. You picture yourself writing that book, getting healthier, learning a new skill, yet somehow you end up scrolling on your phone or binging another show. Here's the truth. It doesn't mean you were doomed to be lazy forever. What's really happening is this. Your brain sees the task as too big, too overwhelming. And when something feels impossible, your mind instantly looks for the easy escape, comfort over challenge. It's not that you don't care. It's not that you're weak. Think about how many times you've quit before even starting. Not because you did not want it, but because the goal just felt too heavy. Saving money felt like giving up everything. Working out every day sounded exhausting before you even put your shoes on. That's not laziness. It's just your brain trying to protect you from pain. But here's the good news. You can rewire this. You can trick your brain into action. And there are 3 simple steps to break free from this cycle. Step 1. Start ridiculously small. Big goals are scary, so break them down. Don't think about writing 200 pages. Write 1 single sentence today. Don't aim to master an instrument overnight. Just practice 1 chord. Every tiny win stacks up and momentum builds. Progress matters more than perfection. Step 2. Build effortless routines. Willpower fades, but routines stick. Set up your environment so action becomes automatic. Want to work out? Leave your workout clothes by your bed. Want to stay organized? Write down 3 things to do before you go to sleep. Small habits create structure, and structure creates consistency. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Getting started is always the hardest part. So commit to just 2 minutes. Read 1 page. Clean 1 corner of the room. Write 1 sentence. Once you begin, it's like pushing a heavy ball. The first push takes effort, but then it rolls on its own. And here's the secret. Reward yourself. Celebrate those 2 minutes. Play your favorite song. Take a short break. Smile at the fact that you started. Rewards tell your brain, this feels good. Let's do it again. Remember this. Everyone you admire started small. They weren't perfect. They failed, they got frustrated, but they kept moving. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every setback is just training for the comeback. Your dreams are like a fire. Right now, maybe it's just a spark. But every little action you take is fuel. Keep feeding it, and soon it'll turn into a blazing flame. So let me ask you, what's the one thing you can do today? Not tomorrow, not someday, today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, because it doesn't exist. Action comes first, motivation follows. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Even the smallest efforts, done daily, create massive change over time. So if you're ambitious but feel held back by laziness, this is your wake-up call. Start now. Pick 1 tiny action and do it today. And if you want more tools to turn ambition into real results, make sure you subscribe, because this is just the beginning.